Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to create a rule-based path in Volume and why do you need one. First of all, to be able to create a rule-based path in Volume, you have to create a campaign in the advanced form. However, if you already have a campaign created in the simple form and want to apply a rule-based path for it, it's enough to select the campaign, click on the Edit button, and at the bottom right corner, here is a button Convert to Advanced Campaign. Just click on it, confirm the change, and now your simple campaign is converted to an advanced one. As you can see, here is an additional tab that is called Destination, where you can set your rule-based path. Let's skip to it. Here you can proceed with creating rule-based paths. It's enough to click on the Add a Rule. A new window will appear. You need to create a name of the rule. I will call it Germany. Add a condition. From the drop-down list, I can choose a dimension that I want to use in my condition. In my case, it will be country is, so it will be a positive condition, Germany. Apply. And now my condition is already created. As you can see, it appeared here, my Germany rule, and here is the path that I need to create for this rule. So what is the use case of the rule-based path? If you are receiving different kinds of traffic, you can send visitors from Germany to a specific offer and all other people to default path when the condition is not met. So only if someone is from Germany will be redirected to the path that is under the rules-based path and will see our Germany offer. All the other visitors will be redirected to the default path with lander and offer. When it comes to the rule-based path, you can create many different rules for different visitors. So if I will add another rule, for example, Poland, add the condition, country is Poland, and I will add new offer here. I have two rule-based paths. First, the Germany, then the Poland. It's important to note that the rules and the rule-based paths are checked by Volume from the top to the bottom. So first of all, Volume will check if a visitor is from Germany. If yes, it will be redirected to this offer. If not, will be redirected to this rule. We'll check once again if the visitor is from Poland. If yes, will be redirected to this offer. If not, will be redirected to the default path. So, for example, if you will create a rule, mobile, add condition, device type is mobile phones, apply. If I will leave it as it is, Volume will first of all check if someone is from Germany. If yes, the visitor will be sent to the rule-based path no matter if the visitor is using the mobile phones or not. Then we'll check the Poland rule and then check the mobile rule. So visitors from Germany will be sent here, visitors from Poland will be sent here, and users of the mobile phones will be sent to this path. So it's crucial to set up the importance of the rules in a specific order. You can change the importance by clicking on the arrow. So now I set my mobile rule-based path at the top. So first of all, Volume will check the rule if the device type is mobile phone. Will send all the visitors to this path, no matter if they are from Germany or from Poland. All the mobile phone users will be sent to this path, and only the ones that are not using mobile phones will be checked if they are from Germany, then if they are from Poland, and if none of the conditions will be met, they will be sent to the default path. You can also combine multiple conditions into one path. So if I, for example, remove those two conditions and I want to send mobile phone users from Poland and from Germany to this specific path, I will add a condition right here under the rule that I have already created. Country is Poland or Germany. Please note how the condition is now constructed. Country is Poland or Germany, and device type is mobile phone. So only a visitor who is from Poland or Germany and is using a mobile phone will be redirected to this path, and all the other visitors to the default path. So now for the rule-based path mobile, I have a path offers only with the offer page. This is my offer URL with the click ID appended. And for the default path, I have a path landers and offers with the lander element and the offer element. Now we can see how it works. I will go to the Tracking and Automizer tab, copy the campaign URL and paste it to my browser. I was taken to the lander element, where I can click on the call to action button to get redirected to the offer page. So Volume redirected me to the default path because I am using the desktop device, not the mobile one. Let's double check it. I will go to the report of the campaign, more reports, live events, live visits, and here I can check more information about the visit. So as you can see here, the country is Germany, so the first condition was met. However, the second part of the condition, that I have to use a mobile phone, is not met because I've entered the campaign with desktop. So when I go back to the settings of my campaign, the rule-based path for mobile, the first condition was met, the second was not, so the whole condition of the rule is not met, so I got redirected to the default path. Let's now change the condition a little bit. I will rename it as a desktop and edit the condition. Device type is desktops and laptops. Apply, save changes, and now my condition is country have to be Germany or Poland, and the device type have to be desktop or laptop. When both conditions will be met, I should be redirected directly to the offer page. Let's check if it works correctly. I will save my campaign just to make sure that it will work properly. and I got redirected to the offer page, so the rule is working correctly. Creating rule-based path may be handy if you want to send your traffic from different countries to different offers, or different device users to different offers. You can select many different rules. For the rule-based path, you can create also additional rules and decide about their importance. As you can see, the condition here may be positive or negative. You can also select custom variables to create your conditions, or you can create conditions that are based on specific values, for example about the IP. Please remember that you can also disable your created rules from the campaign. You can simply disable them by switching the toggle, or you can remove them permanently by using the bin icon.